Good evening, everyone. I'm Liam Michael Luis, your weather broadcaster today. As per Pag-asa, our weather conditions for Marikina City tomorrow, May 12, will be partly cloudy with a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, and for the next few days, from Monday to Friday, we will experience a thunderstorm. So stay at home and be safe, everyone. Again, this is Liam Michael Luis reporting.